If you're looking for an instant, watertight seal for your roof, look no further than Flashband, the market-leading self-adhesive flashing tape from Bostik. Ideal for new builds or maintenance and repair work on a wide range of roofing, drainage and other applications, Flashband bonds to most building materials with a seal that grows stronger over time. It can withstand extreme temperatures and is quick and easy to apply. All you need is a brush for cleaning, a paintbrush, a sharp knife and a seam roller. Oh, and a roll of Flashband, of course. It's available in a range of sizes to suit just about any job. Here's how it's applied. First of all, you need to remove any grease, loose debris and moisture from the surface you're sealing. Gaps, deep hollows or depressions greater than 3 mm should be filled with an appropriate filler, such as Bostik bituminous mastic. For improved grab and adhesion, apply Flashband Primer in advance and leave to dry. Typically, this will take between 20 minutes and 4 hours depending on the conditions. When the primer is dry, unroll the Flashband and cut the length required with a sharp knife. Remove approximately 50 mm of the backing paper and carefully position the Flashband into place. Steadily remove the backing paper as you apply the rest of the Flashband tape. When laying adjacent rolls, ensure there's an overlap of at least 25 mm to maintain a watertight seal. Mold gently into position using your hands, taking care to avoid excessive pressure. Using a seam roller or a piece of rounded wood, smooth the tape to ensure good contact and expel any air, especially on overlaps and edges. And there you have it, long-lasting, watertight protection for up to 15 years.